rally or vigil, they will turn towards the four-ship formation. The solos have discovered more than expected. The Delta has switched to a line of rest, or as we call it, a wall of SNJs. This formation is the same flight position used when the team Skytypes messages. On command from the leader, the Skytypers will execute a 90-degree right turn and shift into a trail formation. Once in trail, they must regroup into more effective formation in order to get to their mission. Now, these aircraft each weigh about 5,500 pounds and use a 600 horsepower supercharged 9-cylinder radial engine, the Pratt & Whitney R1340. Now look straight ahead as the solos approach in a common air-to-air training scenario. The two solos start by flying next to each other and then split apart at the same time. Lights on is called and the solos respond by turning back towards each other. This tests the pilot's skill and avoids a chance of creating an advantage going into a head-on pass. Fighter pilots call this the merge.